Hey guys, welcome back to Fluent American English. Have you ever spoken English perfectly, but still felt like natives instantly knew you're not American?
That's because real Americans don't usually speak textbook English. They use casual, everyday phrases that make conversations sound smooth and natural. So today, I'm going to show you 5 secret American phrases that will instantly make you sound more fluent and confident. Let's go. Phrase 1. I'm down. Americans use this all the time. Imagine your friend says, "Hey, we're getting burgers later. Wanna come?"
G. Instead of saying, I am ready to participate, which sounds super formal, just say, yeah, I'm down. Ooh, ooh.
It simply means, I'm interested or count me in. Short, casual, natural, exactly how Americans talk.
Here's another phrase. Hit me up. This means contact me later.
For example, I'm busy right now, but hit me up tonight. Americans love short and relaxed expressions.
You'll even see people text HMU, which stands for hit me up. Use this with friends, classmates, or coworkers to sound more natural.
Under the weather. Phrase number 3, under the weather.
This is a super common American idiom. If you have a small cold or headache, I am sick. Instead say, I'm feeling a little under the weather today. It sounds softer, more polite, and way more natural in daily conversation. You'll hear this a lot at work or school. Phrase number 4, my bad. Next one. My bad. This is probably one of the most American phrases ever. If you make a small mistake like sending the wrong message or bumping into someone, don't make a huge apology. Just say, oops, my bad. It means, that was my mistake. Simple, fast, and super casual. Phrase number 5, piece of cake. And our final phrase, piece of cake. If something is really easy, Americans say it was a piece of cake. Example, how was the exam? Honestly, piece of cake. This phrase instantly makes your English sound more fluent and natural. So those are 5 secret phrases Americans use every single day. Which phrase was your favorite? Tell me in the comments below. And if you want to sound more fluent, confident, and American, make sure to subscribe to Fluent American English. See you in the next video. Keep practicing.